Hi everyone, welcome to the channel and welcome if you're new. I actually just wanted to show you this cute new bag that this really cute new bag that I received, and it is a great bag. And the company was so kind and nice to send me some description information about the bag and an opportunity for you guys, or if you're a male audience, to buy a bag for someone in your family line or friendship circles. And I just wanted to share that, you know, this bag is pretty cool, and I have a link down below for you guys to actually get 25% off. So let me show you this bag. I really feel great about this, and it comes in a particular awesome box, and it comes with a cute little coverage bag. So this was sent to me. Anyway, I'll be using this bag today in today's video, so I just wanted to share it with you, and it is great. I would love to tell you what I could fit into it. I mean, because it stands up, and you can put many things in here. But I sure do like this. So I will be using it in today's vlog. So here you go. But anyway, this company has many bags to choose from. And if you would like, you can use my code BRIT2025, and I will link it below so you guys can get a discount. See you later. Hey everybody, I'm about to go inside and enjoy some family time. But like I said, I have it right here with me, and I want to thank you guys again, the company, for letting me receive this. And I will see you guys in the next video.
Hi, Lexi.
Definitely looks like
Are
a
the
lady.
twins still in the hospital, or are they home yet?
Hi, you two.
But,
Hey everybody, I think that's going to be the end of the vlog. Right now we just had the shower head go kaput. The whole thing exploded, and I don't think there is a way to fix it. So I'm going to go handle that. I hope you guys all had a great day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!